In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a module from a scenario. This is a simple but important cleanup task that keeps your workflows clear, accurate, and easier to maintain. Maybe a module is no longer needed, maybe it duplicates logic elsewhere, or perhaps it was added for testing and you're ready to remove it. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the exact process and share a few clarity tips along the way. First, open your scenario. Head to the space where your workflows live and select the scenario you want to edit so you can see the canvas with all of its modules and connections. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct scenario and that you're looking at the most recent version. It helps to scan the canvas and understand how the pieces fit together, especially how the module you plan to remove interacts with others. That quick review prevents surprises later and keeps your mental model clear. Next, right-click the module you want to delete. A module is the individual block that performs a specific action or function within the scenario. Make sure you're right-clicking directly on the module, not on a connector line or empty canvas space. On a trackpad, a two-finger click usually opens the same menu, and on touch devices, a brief press and hold often works as a right-click. If your canvas is crowded, zoom in slightly so you can confidently target the correct module and verify its name or icon before proceeding. From the menu that appears, click Delete Module. You should see a clear option labeled for deletion. Selecting it tells the editor that you intend to remove that specific block from the scenario. This action focuses only on the module you selected, not the entire scenario, so take a breath here and confirm that you've highlighted the right one. Finally, confirm deletion. Most editors present a confirmation dialog to help prevent accidental removals, especially if the module has incoming or outgoing connections. Read the prompt, understand that connected paths may be affected, and then confirm to proceed. After you confirm, the module will disappear from the canvas, and any direct links to it will be removed as well. That's all there is to it. Open your scenario, right-click the module, click Delete Module, and confirm. Once you're done, give your scenario a quick visual pass to ensure the flow still makes sense. Keeping modules tidy helps your automations run smoothly and makes future updates faster and less error-prone.